So in our second part, f of x is given x square and g of x is given 2x and h of x is given x plus 4. Now our LHS is given f dash g dash h. First we are finding f dash g, that is f of g of x, that is equal to, I'm putting the value of g of x here and I'll put this 2x in the place of x in f of x, that is 2x the whole square, that is equal to 4x square. Then I'll multiply it with dash h, that is f dash g into h. So that is f of x, h of x value is x plus 4 and I'll put this x plus 4 in the place of x in f dash g, that is 4x square. I'll put this here, then it will become 4 into x plus 1 whole square. So my final answer is 4x square plus 32x plus 64. This is my first equation. Then I'll find the RHS, that is f dash g dash h. I'm first finding g dash h, then I'll multiply it with f dash, that is g dash h is g of h of x, that is equal to, I'm putting the value of h of x here, that is g of x plus 4. Then I'll put this x plus 4 in the place of x in g of x, that is g of x is 2x, then it will be 2 into x plus 4, that is 2x plus 8. Then I am multiplying it with f dash, that is f of g of x g dash h, that is f of 2x plus 8 and it will become 2x plus 8 the whole square. Then it will become 4x square plus 32x plus 64. This is my second equation. So we are seeing that LHS equal to RHS because equation 1 equal to equation 2, that is 4x square plus 32x plus 64 equal to 4x square plus 32x plus 64. So therefore it is, we have found that f dash g dash h equal to f dash g dash h, and hence we have proved it. Hence it is proved. And our third parts, f of x is given x minus 4 and g of x is given x square and h of x is given 3x minus 5. So our LHS is f dash g dash h. First we are finding f dash g, that is f of g of x, that is equal to g of x value is x square. I'll put this x square in the place of x in f of x, that is f of x value is x minus 4. So I'm substituting x square in the place of x, that is x square minus 4. Then I'll multiply it with dash h, that is f dash g into h of x, that is 3x minus 5. Then I'll put this 3x minus 5 in the place of x in f of g, that is x square minus 4, that is I'll put this value in the place of x, that will become 3x minus 5 the whole square, minus 4 will be the same, then it will become 9x square minus 30x plus 25 and the 4 will be here. Then I'll take 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is my first equation. So RHS is f dash g dash h. I'm first finding g dash h, that is g of h of x, that is equal to h of x value is 3x minus 5 and I'll put this 3x minus 5 in the place of x in g of x. So that is g of x is x square. So I'll put this, make this as 3x minus 5 the whole square. So that is 9x square minus 30x plus 25. So you can see I'll multiply it with f dash. Now I'll get f into 9x square minus 30x plus 25. Now I am putting this whole value in the place of x in f of x. So our f of x is given equal to x minus 4. So I am putting this whole value in the place of x. So I'll get 9x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. This minus 4 came from here. Then it will become 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is my second equation. So equation 1 equal to 2. Then LHS equal to RHS. Therefore f dash g dash h equal to f dash g dash h. Then hence it is proved. And our ninth one is let f equal to minus 1 comma 3 and 0 comma minus 1 and 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function from z to into z, that is integers into integers. We have to find f of x. So in our solution already function is given minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1 and 2 comma minus 9. So our f of x is, already you know that f of x normal form is ax plus b, that is a quadratic equation's normal form. This is my first equation, is the equation of all linear function. Sorry, it is linear function. Then therefore f of, now we are finding f of 1, that is equal to 3, you can see. Then f of 0 is minus 1, you can see. F of 2 is minus 9, you can see. already we know that f of x equal to ax plus b. Then I'm putting the value of minus 1 in the place of x. I'll get a into minus 1, that is minus a plus b equal to 3. This is my second equation. Then when I put 0 in the place of x, I'll get a into 0. It will become, the whole thing will become 0 plus b. Then I'll get b. So f of 0 value is minus 1. Already we have found it. So it will become, already we have found here minus a plus b equal to 3. Now we have found the b value also. We'll substitute it minus 1 here. Then I'll get minus a minus 1 equal to 3. So that is minus a equal to, this minus 1 will go that side and will become plus 4, a equal to minus 4. Just we are, this minus symbol will go that side. So the linear function is minus 4x minus 1. That is, a value is minus 4 and x will be the same, and b value is minus 1. The 10th question is, in electric circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition of principle given by C into AT1 plus BT2 equal to AC into T1 plus BC into T2. And where a comma b are constants, we have to show the circuit C of t equal to 3t is a linear function. So you already know that given is C of t equal to 3t and we have to prove the function is linear. Now just I am substituting AT1 in the place of t in the given. Okay, that is C of t will become C of AT1 and 3 of t will become 3 of AT1. Then again I will substitute t as BT2 and here also t as BT2. Always you should remember the same thing should be multiplied both sides. You should not put it as AT1 and here BT2. It is wrong. The same thing should be multiplied with an equal objects. Let us take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now I am just adding 1 plus 2. That is C into AT1 plus BT2. I am taking C common outside, then it will become like this. Then here also 3 I am taking common, it will become AT1 plus BT2. Then here you could change it as, you can take the 3 inside, then it will become 3A into T1 and 3B into T1. Now the 3 can go inside and A and B can come outside. That is A into 3T1 plus B into 3T2. Then that is C of t equal to 3 of t. That is t and t are common here. Then we can find from here is C equal to 3. Okay. And this will take it as equation number 3. Then now we are just substituting 3 as t from equation number 3. That is A into 3 are substituting into C and here 2, 3 we are substituting into C. Then that is A into CT1 plus B into CT2. So we are proving it now. That is, so here you can see C into AT1 and B into AT2. Already we have got the LHS this side. Now we have got also RHS now. So hence it is proved. Therefore superposition principle is satisfied. Here C of t equal to 3t is a linear function.